Do you want to take a boring website and go from stagnant to beautiful in just minutes? I'm going to show you how to do that so quickly with Gamma AI. It's going to blow your mind. Stick around. I'm Sondra Verva with Simplify and Amplify Your Business with AI. We're going to show you how you can use this incredible software, just a click of a button. Let's go. Here we are inside of Gamma, and we're going to go ahead and import a file or a URL. You can paste in text to create a website. You can generate from one-line prompts if you like to. But we're going to make this really simple. And I'm going to take, instead of a file or the drive, I'm going to import an old website of mine. Look how boring this is. Dachshund Mastery. Unlock the secrets to a happier dachshund for training, caring for, and understanding your dachshund. I'm going to get the URL, copy it, go back over to Gamma, go ahead and open it up. Throw it in. I want the exact information that's on the other website inside of this Gamma website that we're going to build. So I'm going to click Web Page. And over here, I want to hit Preserve. So all of the information is preserved exactly the way it was written before. And I'm going to click Freeform instead of card by card. That allows AI to divide my contents into sections on the website very easily. If I want to make any other images, I can click AI images. I can do stock photos. We're just going to hit continue and show you how easy this is. You get to pick what your theme is. Actually, this is quite interesting. So we're going to keep it here and right before your eyes. Here it goes. Look at that. It's putting in all the information that was on the other website in its own little categories. It's even giving sections. It's getting ready for the images that it's going to make with AI. We've got charts and diagrams over here. We've got embed apps and web pages. We can add videos and any media, smart diagrams. The way the layouts are, you can change it just with a click of a button. If I don't like this color, I just change it with a click of a button. It is that simple. I can go to site settings and I can give it its site name. I can upload my own domain that I already have, or I can get one and purchase it through Gamma. What I'm doing right now in Gamma is free. You are not paying any hosting whatsoever. Okay, you ready to see? We're going to start at the top. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. Yes, I own a dachshund. And let's just scroll on down. Wow, those are AI images. So yeah, it's that easy. Okay. You have the ability to go through and exchange the colors. Let me show you what you can do with the image right here. If I double click on images, it is using an AI image. Let's do a web search image and look what pops up. So I'm going to choose this one. So you see how easy this is to do. Just simply making a change. Now, if I don't like this here, I can change the way that this layout is. I click on the smart layout. And you notice how easy it is that you can make changes. Look at how quick and easy this is, you guys. I have never made a website as easy as Gamma allows it to do. You even have the capabilities to go inside your site settings, add a favicon, and add your analytics for your Google Tag Manager or your Meta Facebook Pixel if you want to do ads. You can toggle the navigation bar on or off. So if you don't have any other things that you want to have at the top. All right, let's show you how it toggled off that top part right here. But if this is a page that's going to have multiple pages, that navigation bar, you can have a home, you can have an about, you can have other pages connected to it. Look how easy it is for me to just add another page. I'm going to simply click on Add Page with AI, and I can generate another page. If I have multiple pages within, actually, I do. Let's see what that looks like. I'm back on that page, and this is the next page that we had created, okay? And there are multiple pages here. So all I have to do is copy those, go back over to Gamma, import the file, put the URL in, hit import, click on web page, hit continue, do freeform again, make sure I preserve everything. It's splitting the content into its cards. Actually, let's go to freeform, click generate. And honestly, this is really fun to watch. as it just keeps putting all of the information directly inside of this Gamma. I'm telling you guys, I'm going to put my link that will give you 200 free AI credits to use. You can sign up for free and it's going to use AI credits. You're going to get them replenished every month. Or if you upgrade to the $20 a month, you have unlimited. So go ahead and get the free AI credits with the link that I'm going to put in the description of this video. Happy Gammaing. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because we are not done using Gamma.